Hello people of Wow, aka my brother and sometimes my mom. So you two know, but for the magical 1 in a million off chance a total stranger sees this video, my laptop is broken. I have literally dozens of videos I haven't edited because I never got around to it, but now I have a legitimate excuse on why I haven't been posting them. So this video is edited on my phone, so I have some technical limitations, so bear with me. It's not the quality of video I would like to be posting. Like, I would edit this differently if I had the means, not the means to, if I had the correct technology to, but I am dealing with what I have. So, fun. Enjoy. Hi, welcome. I've been so, not inspired, but I've been watching a ton of YouTube videos, obviously. I was studying since I'm like a real YouTuber now. I got like 10 subs. I've been watching these makeup videos and they're always so like aesthetic and pretty and like monochromatic, like these. And I was especially inspired by this girl, I think is Eve something, like Eve's or something, I don't know. And videos like hers that I want to try to do that type of makeup on my face. And since it's Valentine's Day, 2 days, hopefully I get it out before then, I'm going to try it. But first, I noticed that a lot of the girls who do this video, these types of makeup videos, do not have boring brown hair. So first step is to get rid of that. Ooh. Oh, and I've noticed that, this makes my forehead look huge, that they're like always soft-spoken and like so cute. I changed my mind on this. Okay, so I'm gonna do Valentine's makeup. I don't really have any direction. I do blush. I'm gonna put lots of blush, and that's pretty much it. And they always have the most aesthetic looking thumbnails ever. Also, if you hear freaking Fortnite music, it's because my nephew's downstairs watching YouTube on the TV. So let's start. Also, their music is always so cute. I'm going to be putting Kirby music on for this. Actually, I can't say if they're soft-spoken or not. They usually never speak. Hi! It's not as aesthetic as I was hoping it would be. Maybe because I'm just really freaking basic. But I would love if I could add like a heart or something here in red. Maybe. But I just tried a bunch of different methods to try to do that. And none of them look good. I tried it right here on my leg. My lighting always sucks.